All right. So thanks so much for coming in. Tell everybody who you are and why you're here.
Well, my name's Mark. I'm here because I've had surgery, hip replacement. I like to travel a lot. I was traveling a lot before the surgery. It was impeding my ability to enjoy myself whilst I travelled, and therefore I needed some surgery.
Before the surgery. And so tell us a little bit about how were you feeling before your surgery versus after? I know you kind of had, from what you've told me, a kind of a profound experience after.
Yeah. Yeah, I thought for a long time I was suffering from muscle issues, typical of going to the gym, working out, tightness of the muscles, etc. Problem particularly on the right side. I thought it was that for a good year, 18 months. Eventually, my wife convinced me to come and see a specialist. Actually, and the first thing that happened here was I was given an X-ray and a consultation, and it was clear, looking at the X-ray and talking with the experts here, that this was actually a hip issue and not a muscle issue.
After the surgery. Mark, how do your muscles feel now?
My muscles feel great. Actually, the hip replacement feels great. If any negativity has come out of this particular surgery, it's the fact that my left hip is now the one that seems to be prominent in the pain front. But the right hip, as a result of the surgery, I have no issues with it at all.
So, and you also traveled back home. I can't remember, how long was it after your surgery?
I had the surgery in April. I think 2 weeks later, I had to travel to the east coast of Philadelphia.
Yep.
A week after that, I had to travel back to the UK, where I spent 2 weeks hiking around Europe with my family. And since then, I've only just come back from an overlanding trip across 3 or 4 of the national parks here, including hiking, and that's 3 months after surgery.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's pretty remarkable.
Yeah.
So you're back to doing all the traveling that you love to do.
Everything I was doing before, I run in left-hand circles now instead of right-hand circles.